Now, you can build your own agent. Then click the button in the upper right corner. Click on Create Agent menu item. Then rewiden the window. You can see a preview of the agent. Select an emoji as avatar. Then enter the name. Enter the description of this agent. Can help users filter data based on conditions. Then enter the introduction. Then enter prompt. You are a Google Sheet expert. You can filter data based on condition user input. Then select Tools. And we can test that here. Such as I input orders greater 1700. In this way, he helps us filter out the route with orders greater than 1000. Then we submit to save this agent. We cannot error to test it. Input a condition sales greater 1600. Okay, the data rows are filtered out. This is the custom agent. Can help us build our own agents as needed.